Good evening, my good people all over the world. This is Jupiter's Autos International Limited. I don't introduce myself today more than 20 times. And when I know one buy. Okay, guys, we have GLX 2021 model upgraded to Maybach. Very sweet car, and I'm giving it for Christmas bonanza. Only 120 million naira. This is the same car I sold for 210 million. Now it's going for only 120 million naira. My good people, point and kill. Grab it now before you hear sold. This car is fullest option. Very beautiful with unique interior. You're gonna like it. So this car have complete parking sensor. Okay, front and back. Beautiful grille. Front camera. Okay, digital LED. Number one. Guys, somebody say number one. This is very sweet. Black on gold. Exterior, very matured color, not too much bling bling, but anywhere you pass, then gonna say Baba pass. You know what I'm saying? So give me 120 million naira, you carry them. Look, this is another camera. This car is fullest option, 360 camera assist. Even the door, soft lock, fullest option. Fullest option. I need only 120 million naira. This same car I sold for 210 million recently. Now I'm selling the same car for 120 million naira. Why? Because the owner of the showroom, now he get this car, he no need them. He tell me say if I get money, make I give him, carry him. Okay? So he want me to help him and sell it. As you can see, the car have plate number. Now he they use them. And everything in this car is 100% active. Input money for this car where they see so. Guess what? This car is 100% accident free. Now big boy, you know they drive accidental with low mileage. Okay? All the parts they change is original Maybach. Original, not copy, including rim, interior and exterior. Everything original Maybach. And it's going for only 120 million naira. But the owner say he need the money urgent. Say if he waste time, he go sell him normal price. You understand? So maybe he need money to pay for a showroom or to clear some of his cars. You know, every big man getting own problem. So he's selling this car. I know say, as in the time say he need money. I know there's something he wanna do with it. You know what I'm saying? So my good people all over the world, this is the cheapest GLS Maybach you can get all over the world for this price. I sold this same car for 210 million naira. Now I'm giving this one free. 50%. I need only 120 million naira. Buying, shipping and clearing down to your doorstep. And this one is fullest option. Even door, soft lock. I'm telling you, see as they shine. Everything like brand new. See, sensor everywhere. You see, original, complete, 100% accident free, original Maybach kit, rim, original Maybach, no be copy, original, tire, original. Now, look at the beautiful interior. Let me open the center lock. And you know what? When you want to know the highest trim of this Maybach, see, the door will come soft lock. You gonna say now one of the highest trim be that. You know what I'm saying? So guys, look at this beautiful interior. Very sweet. Look at this ambience, man. And clean. No one dot, no day, no stain, no scratch. Clean. Maybach. Everything digital. Everything is digital. Cheap price. Now for anybody will buy this car, 120 million naira, you have free iPhone 17 Pro Max. Brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max will come with this car. Full panorama. I told you this is the highest trim of Maybach. Highest trim. Panoramic roof, 360 camera, digital screen, soft lock, highest trim. You want to go? See, you know, end for there. You know what is this? Wireless charger. Okay, you have your 2 cup holder. You can set it cold, hot. You got to go. Look, this beautiful interior, digital with AMG steering wheel. You got to go. Look at the ambience of this machine. Panoramic view. Shit, this car too bad. Look at the ambience. Ambience. This car na for clean, for odogu. You gotta go. I then take the coolant before. Okay. Beautiful headless with a 2 cup holder. See Maybach doings. Not be a regular kind of car. Okay. So here, look. This door is soft lock. Soft. Look. Soft lock. This body where you see, so there's what they call a ceramic coating. This car have that ceramic coating. Something no go scratch your paint directly. Not possible. It go make your car they shine like glass. Always. Just nego the motor. Chara. Buy and enjoy. You are fixing nothing. Okay? This is the 3rd row chair. Family SUV for big boy. Okay, my good people, if you are interested in this machine, give me a call at +971 588 492810. Jupiter's Autos, your shortest plug. Guys, grab it now so that you go use them for Christmas. No waste time, or if you snooze, you lose. Only 120 million naira down to your doorstep. Anywhere you reside in Nigeria, we deliver. You know what I'm saying? So give us a call. Now we dey run them. We know they waste time. This heavy machine, as big as it is, it dey on, but you're not hearing the sound. Hey, that is to tell you that the car is brand new. Fukakona shine, eh? Chara. Yemego Kiburu. Okay, cheap price. The owner of this showroom, Oji Anonu, he need money ASAP. I was passing on my own. He asked me, you Nigeria? I say yes. He said, come. Myself, I want verse. Say, which kind calling be that one? He said, come. I followed him. He said, I have one Mercedes GLE. I say, okay, GLE, good. I don't know say na GLS, and they say GLE. So when I came, I saw the car very beautiful. He told me that he need money urgent, that I should help him and market this car. You know, these people, they already know all of us that are Nigerians here. They know, say, as we they do live video, we they sell. You understand? So they regard us very well in this place. You gotta go. When you come to this showroom, any black they see, they will assume that you are a Nigerian. Only Nigeria they know. So my good people all over the world, if you like this beast, give us a call so that you can grab it ASAP, okay? So our phone number remains +971 588 492810. See everything original. Even from here, you cannot see the person inside. You know, go see person where they inside the car. Everything packaged, well packaged. Now for senior man, no be church or church. You gotta go. So here you go.